In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a PayPal card on the application. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the app, then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says menu. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see wallet. It will be underneath a section titled manage finances. Alright, once you're over here, you want to go ahead and continue scrolling down. You then want to look for this option that does say explore more from PayPal, and over here we have all of the different cards that we can go ahead and apply for. So we can apply for a PayPal cashback MasterCard. We can also get the business debit card or apply for PayPal credit. So all you want to do from here is you want to select on whichever one you actually want to apply for. So the process will actually vary between all of these different cards, but the point is you want to make sure that you do put in all necessary information, and it is going to guide you through these steps on how to actually apply for the card. Now, if you're applying for a credit card, the process is a little bit more extensive and complex, so please keep that in mind. And also, you will need to input your address, so make sure that you have your valid address ready to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you later, French fries.